Hello everyone. How to do academic planning? Well, I'm a teacher and I have my classes and I have my subject allocated. I also can see a syllabus of my subject here under syllabus repository. I can see the syllabus and I do have my timetable as well. This is the class 10A and I can see my lectures there. So now the question is, before I start the academic, before I start teaching to the students, I need to do a very high level academic planning. So how can I do the high level academic planning? Using the EduCloud. For that, let's go to the learning and click on academic planner. Here at academic planner, I need to select my class and my subject 10A and the math. And this is a planning tool dashboard where I can see the my in left hand side I can see my syllabus. This syllabus is coming from the syllabus repository, and this is the syllabus. I can just close the syllabus for each top chapters, expand it. These are the months, like from January 21 to June 22, and total 19 topics. How many plans, how many covered each month. And now let's see how can we do the planning. Let's say currently I'm in the month of March and I want to do the planning of the March 2022. So I just clicked on March 22, and when I clicked here, if you can see here, I can see a 5 session has been allocated. The 5 session means the 5 timetable session, and total 5 hours has been allocated in this month. This is a good indicator, will help me to do the planning. And now planning is very easy. Just select the chapters and topics. Just select the topics under the chapter. This is the topics I want to do plan in month of March. So drag and just drop. That's it. And if you can see here, the number line which I'm going to conduct, which I'm going to teach for the 2 hours. So the plan hour is 2 hours, timetable hours is 5, and the session is 5. So this is a good indicator, total time 5 hours of work has been there. The scope is there, and I'm planning for I have 3 hours of planning, and let me drag and drop the topic. This is a 1 hour, and let me pick up the decimals. 2 hours, let me pick up the natural numbers. So it means total 8 hours of work has been planned. Total timetable hours is 5. This is a very good indicator. How many hours of timetable has been there. So sometimes teacher do over planning, sometimes teacher do under planning. Everything is good, but it should be matched with the timetable hours. So this is the way we can do planning. It's very easy. If I want to change the sequence, just I can pull the topic to the upper side, or maybe I can just let me pick up the natural number to the down line, and then maybe it will be the sixth number. Well, so it's indicate that it's not scheduled. I'm just doing planning. It's a very high level planning. We'll do the actual lesson planning, or the week by week, or the lecture by lecture planning later on. This is a very high level planning. Ideally, we should do a planning 1 month in advance. Some teachers do 2 months in advance, but generally ideal way is that do the planning 1 month in advance. Let's quickly look at that. If I wrongly plan these things, I can just click on delete, and I can remove here. There's a delete button, and if I go to the view summary, I will see the view summary. Total 5 topic is planned, and that's in the month of March, and that's it. So there is a very quick way I can do the planning. If I want to go back to the month of March, I can just click on month of March and can go back. So this is a very quick way I can do the planning. One most common question, let's say I'm a maths teacher in 10A and the 10B as well. So if I do the planning for 10A, can I copy the planning for the 10B? So the answer is no. We have intentionally here, the facility is not given there, because the planning for the 10A could be different and planning for the 10B could be different. Based on the number of students, based on the class of the students, it could be a different teachers as well. There could be a different timetable for the 10A and 10B. So there are a lot of factors where we could have a different planning. Therefore, there is a no copy option is available. You have to do different planning for the 10A, and you need to do different planning for 10B. So this is the way you can quickly do the academic planning for your subjects well in advance before the actual academic start, before actual lecture starts. Thank you.